How to add extra baggage on Turkish Airlines. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can add extra baggage on Turkish Airlines. So how can you add extra baggage on Turkish Airlines? There are two ways whereby you can do this. Alright, the first way is by logging into your account and then scrolling down on the home page until when you can see the options, seat selections, extra baggage, book a hotel, rent a car, travel insurance, gift card. So you can just click on the extra baggage this way, then be directed to another page. Now on this page, you would see extra baggage, increase your comfort with extra baggage allowance, increase the comfort of your travel by purchasing extra baggage allowance on increasing your current extra baggage allowance. So next thing to do on this stage is to input your ticket number as well as your your passenger surname. So once you input both of this, you can just click on this arrow and you'll be directed to another page where you can continue this process. So this is the first and simple way. And then the second way is by paying and booking a trip. Okay, so let's say that you want to book a trip. So just click on the your arrival point. A once you selected a when you selected a departure point, just select an arrival point as well. All right, so just check to just simply, and then once you've selected an arrival point, select a departure date as well as an arrival date. So once you selected this, click on the OK icon, select number of passengers, click on search flights, and then you'll be directed to a site where you see all of the available sites or available flights for those days as well as our location. And currently, the location I picked does not have an available flight. But if you look at the top part of the screen, you can see search flight, passenger details, and then additional services. Now once you input the flight or the places that are available and that in which flights are available for, you would be asked to input the passenger's details as well, and then you'll be directed to the additional service page. On this page, you can decide to add extra baggage, you can decide to select a seat, you can decide to do extra things that are all contained in the package you paid for or that you are about to pay for. Okay, so on this page, you can now decide to add extra baggage, follow through procedures, and that extra baggage should be added. So these are the two ways of adding extra baggages to your flight or Turkish Airlines. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching.